Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing this video for Make It Monday, and it's not a project share, it's more of a making space in my craft room. And what I had started to do, this is a case from Michaels that I got. It's quite thick. It's quite deep, I should say. And you can see that I have all of my ribbon in here. No, this isn't all of it, but it's most of it. I'm still making room on here, and yeah. So I wanted to show you what I decided to do with my ribbon. And I already have a lot of it in here for you. Now, some of it I did end up having to roll it up, and I rolled it as thin as I could to put in here. And you can see some of the other rolls are pretty thin. How they were on rolls like this. You've got this big, huge, empty space here. And if you try to put rolls like this into a container, it's gonna fill up super fast, and you're still gonna have a ton of ribbon left. So instead, what I did was I take the ribbon off the roll completely. Just take it off. And I take cardboard just from any box that I have that's empty, that we've used up or whatever. And I just take the ribbon and wrap it around. You can wrap it as tight or as loose as you want it, but the tighter it is, the thinner, of course, that it will be. So you can fit more in whatever container you're gonna put this in. So I have, oh, and that got caught. So the ones that are rolled up, it's because of the type of ribbon that they are, and that the rolls were really big. Excuse me. So, and then like, they're really wide, I should say. Not really big, but like really wide. Now this one's stuck on that, because of course it has to. There we go. But like this is like really wide, and the amount of cardboard I would need to put these on, it was just going to be too crazy. So and usually what I do when I'm done wrapping it is I put a piece of tape on it just to hold it there. And you can see on some of these, let me see if I can, some of them, the tape that I used is coming off just because it was just a quick piece that I put on there. But I'm going to take this one out. You can see you've got 5 rolls of ribbon on here, and it's super thin, and it's not taking up a lot of space at all. And for smaller ribbon, you've got, I've got this one here, and I've got 8 on here. Now this one's kind of wide, but like you can see how much the smaller ribbon, how many you could put on a piece of cardboard to put in. And like I said, the tape that I have on these is not sticking very well. I need to retape all of them. But you can put so many rolls of small ribbon on the cardboard and just smush them in there and put, I have plenty more room to put more ribbon in here, which once I finish with all of these, this will be going in here as well. And you see how little room it takes up. Excuse me. And you can see here, this is, you see how wide these ribbons are. And this is why I didn't do that with these, because it takes up, I only got 3 rolls on here, and the cardboard went from one end to the other. And I would just run out of room, I think, with that. So instead I just folded these over, you know, end over end, and I made them as small as I could and stuck them here. But you can do it this way if you don't have a lot of ribbon, or if you have a lot of the big chunky ribbon. Another way, you know, is to just roll them up like this if you can. If you can get them that small, this is a good way of storing them as well. It makes them a lot smaller than being on a roll like that. I mean, you can see the difference. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing with my ribbon, because I have been in the middle of organizing my craft area, and getting the ribbon put away is one of the biggest obstacles that I've run into right now. And I get fixated. I get fixated on one thing at a time, and I have to finish that one thing before I can move on to something else. So I've been working on getting the ribbon all put away and trying to get it all in this one container. There are some ribbons that are not going to be able to go in here. So I'm going to have to find some other way to store them. I have yarn and different things like that that it's not going to work well with this system, so I'm going to have to find a different way of storing them. But I just thought I would share this with you guys and show you what I do for my ribbon, so you guys could maybe, you know, maybe that'll help you figure out a system that you want to use for your ribbon. And yeah, that's it for this channel, or for this video. Sorry, I'm still getting over being sick. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.